So you have an Aiven for PostgreSQL instance and you want to create a read replica of that service. Well, in the console, the first thing you would do is you would go to the project and service that you want to create your read replica. In order to create a read replica, your service plan must at least be startup or higher. So if you are in hobbyist, you'll need to upgrade. You can do so by hitting change plan and selecting the plan of your choice. Once you've confirmed that you have at least the startup plan, in the service overview page, scroll down until you see read replica. From there, you'll create a read replica and you'll give it a name. Next, you'll find the cloud provider and region that you want this replica to exist in. From there, scroll down, select the plan that you want this replica to operate in. It should at least be the same size as your current plan. You can add any additional disk storage if you need, and then select create. From there, it will create your replica, and your replica will start building. From that replica page, once it's built, you can do things like make it the primary, which would then detach it from your initial one. This is great when you're doing things like disaster recovery and you want to kick over to a service that's still up and running. But that is how you create a read replica for your Aiven for PostgreSQL instance.